it's Kylie with OkieGirlBling'n'Things.com, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial and show you how to do the single crochet. So it's probably one of the most common stitches that you'll use in crochet. So I have a piece here that I've worked a few rows of single crochet, and we'll just jump right into it and start. So to single crochet, you'll just insert your hook on the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops, and that's how you single crochet. So we'll continue. Next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through both loops. See, it's that simple. Insert your hook, next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And you'll just continue repeating that process for however long you need to, and that is how you single crochet. I hope you guys enjoyed that stitch tutorial. Be sure and check my blog out for lots of free patterns.